British heavy-lift drone manufacturer Windracers has signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) with the Highlands and Islands Transport Partnership (HITRANS) to accelerate the deployment of air cargo drone operations across some of the UK's most remote regions. The partnership builds on years of flight trials supported by Innovate UK's Sustainable Aviation Test Environment (SATE) program, which demonstrated how unmanned aircraft systems (UAS) can address logistical challenges in the Highlands and Islands. The new MOU aims to transition from research trials to long-term, locally operated UAS logistics networks. Windracers ULTRA platform, a twin-engine fixed-wing autonomous aircraft, has been at the core of these efforts. Designed for heavy lift capabilities and high endurance, the aircraft can carry payloads of up to 100 kilograms across distances exceeding 1,000 kilometers, using fully autonomous flight control systems developed for reliability and safety in challenging weather and terrain conditions. Connecting rural Scotland via US logistics. Our partnership with HITRANS builds on 5 years of safe ultra operations across the Highlands and Islands, said Windracers CEO Simon Muterak. By working closely with local partners, we can now take the next step towards a world first, a regularly scheduled autonomous air cargo service that complements existing transport and delivers lasting benefits for communities and businesses across the region. Ranald Robertson, Partnership Director at HITRANS, noted the significance for rural connectivity. These pioneering UAS projects could revolutionize logistics by bypassing traditional transport bottlenecks. In future, they could support rapid delivery of medicines, assist high-value sectors like seafood and aquaculture, and enhance access to essential services. The collaboration aligns with the UK government's Future Flight program and the Civil Aviation Authority's airspace modernization strategy, marking a milestone in integrating commercial UAS operations into the national transport ecosystem. Simon Masters, Deputy Director of Future Flight at Innovate UK, emphasized, "This partnership marks real progress for the UK's readiness to adopt new aviation technologies, connecting remote communities and improving access to vital services across the UK."